Hi everyone, Leanne from Cake and Eat at 3. Hiking products, we're still on this lovely one. Now everyone's pretty familiar with the Luci Light. Very compact, inflatable solar light basically. So I've been playing around obviously. So normally they pack nice and flat in your pack. Two different sorts. Actually, I think there's actually a couple more as well. But we've gone with two, which two different people will carry. Obviously, if then something happens, more than one person has a torch. This is an emerge. So this one being, it has an additional setting that will flash your SOS message in red. So very handy safety one. Again, this one goes down lower than that as well, but I've been mucking around with them. So basically, tag it onto your pack, fix it somehow. This one doesn't come apart, so that's very handy to know. This one, because you've got two different widths that you can hang it from, you can actually fix it quite easily to your pack, even if you had to use that front one to put it around a strap or something like that. But basically you're looking at wanting to get 8 and 7 direct hours of sunlight for both of these guys. Just hang them on your pack through the day and then they're right to go at night. In both cases you can either choose to blow them up or actually many people just literally pull. I probably don't like to put the stress on that plastic thing, so it's not hard. Make sure you squeeze it properly first. One breath basically you do that. And then at night you've got 4 settings on this one with the LEDs. I'll show you when it's dark, and a flashing one. So fantastic asset in the pack. Pretty much every parent will know if you're camping or hiking with kids, guaranteed as soon as you settle in for the evening, that's when they need to go to the toilet. So this little guy will come in very handy for those trips to the toilet late at night, and actually as an intent light until you've actually gone to bed for the night. They say this one can last up to 24 hours on the low setting, so very handy piece of equipment to have. The only thing, I think this will be a point of weakness on the item, but you can fix it from either end if you had to get it charged during the day. This one retails, or in most places, is about $27. We bought both of these from wildearth.com.au in Australia because, again, signed up for the newsletters, checked all the pricing, they were the cheapest. Quite simple. This little guy is $18 Australian, and absolutely so important. Helps if you squeeze the hole. Again, one breath once you're actually doing it right. And opaque around the outside of this one, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be red. Again, I'll show you at night, and that will actually flash your SOS message for you. There's a battery indicator on both of them. As you can see, they don't take up a lot of space. So as far as weight issues, while you're hiking, I think the Emerge comes in at 72 grams. Not bad. And the Outdoor 2.0 comes in at 125 grams. So if you're a weight counter, I choose to go safety first hiking, so I think that these are really important pieces of your hiking kit. Not both, obviously, one, but as we've got 3 people going, we're choosing one of each to give them a good go. So choose what one works for you. Obviously, I think preference is going to be given to the one that offers the added benefit of a SOS safety light. So there you go. M-powered are the people who brought them out. Just the word M, power, and a D. And yeah, 3-in-1 emergency light. Don't think you can go wrong there. Another great hiking product. Hi, so we're doing a nighttime test for you to let you know how the Luci Lights go. So this is the Luci Light 2.0 outdoor. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 settings. And then this is the Luci Emerge, E-M-R-G. 1, 2, 3, SOS, 3 short, 3 long, 3 short. So very handy in an emergency. Going to alternate between the red and the white, and then a solid red. So there we go. As you can see, both of these, actually, this one goes to 75 lumens. You can see that they're definitely bright enough. This one would be perfect for an intent, and you can actually turn it up to get a bit more of a bright light, so the opaque is only around that bit. So there we go, the 2 Luci lights, and we'll be happily using these on our next through hike, which will be the Cape to Cape in Western Australia.